Okay, everybody, welcome to another edition of She Thought She Could, So She Did. And here's a mistake that we have made, is we're doing the deadbolt lock. We cut away too much of the round wood, around the wood. We cut off too much, and I'll show you in a minute how we're going to try to fix that. The inside, I'm sorry it's so dark, everybody, but this camera, it's so dark. There we go. See, this one is so big, this deadbolt, and it's also the only lock actually on this silly thing. I didn't realize it. This one don't have a lock to it, you know, but the door is so old. I put a lot of wood putty on it. It's got to be sanded, and then I'm going to repaint it. I'll show you afterwards. You won't even realize it's got all this mess here. Although a little bit of dings and stuff is good. It antiques it, makes it look good. Always make sure when you're drilling your hole, one side may be smaller than the other. Unfortunately, that's the way that it is on this. So what I'm going to do, let me have the card here. Let me see, get this in the right spot. Where am I? There it is. I've made a donut like this, and this donut is going to fit over the hole on the other side. It will fit over the hole on the other side. I'll cut it down and put wood putty on it and you know, fix it, and I'll show you later what it's going to look like and stuff. But you won't be able to, shouldn't be able to tell too much of what has gone on with that. I'll put some wood putty and stuff on it. Okay, just remember, check the openings and make sure that you don't make too big of a hole on the other side of it. I can't ever tell where this doggone light is. I mean, the camera thing is on there. Okay, that's it for now.